so expensive. Ah, mi wá mọ̀ ká o. Ṣé wàá mú oats? Ṣé wàá mú oats díẹ̀? Why? Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and welcome to another vlog. We are going to spend today together. I just finished prepping this pepper in case they take the life, and I just finished making oatmeal for myself. I have done the dishes. I am going to have breakfast now and we'll be back to the kitchen. Okay? So my mom told me. So my mom told me she was going to buy snails for my sister. She said she wanted snails to go back with. So that was why I carried my Ojuko Koro self to say I want. So she said she was buying like 50K on for her. I was like, okay, now let me buy 20K so that I'll just have it. So according to her, the last time she bought them for 500 naira each. So in my head, I had done calculation that okay, 500 naira divided by 20, that was going to be 40 pieces. So I sent 20K. See my snails. I can't even cry. Like, I can't even cry because why is everything getting so expensive? Why? Why is everything getting so expensive? Everything is now so expensive. I want to cook beans. I've not had beans in like a very long time. So I want beans. So she already helped me parboil. That's the point. She already helped me boil the beans. Oh, I want to ask a question. Am I the only one that parboil my beans? I want to know, like the way you parboil rice. Am I the only one that parboil my beans like that? Please let me know in the comment section. Do you also parboil your beans the way you parboil your rice? I'm actually hungry, so I don't know. These beans, it's like I don't know. I hope it doesn't take too long to cook. So I'm going to fry this my snails. So she already boiled them, so I'll just fry them now, and I will be hoping that I enjoy it. My husband is sleeping. So this is just the beans I am cooking, just the two of us, and probably okay. I actually want to have leftover for tomorrow morning. That's Sunday morning. Let me add a bit more. Oh, this is okay. Oh. This is actually okay. Let me add a bit more. I want so that tomorrow morning I won't have to cook before going to church. This is actually not dirty. It's just so surprising that the last time she bought snails was like literally during the wedding, less than 6 months ago. And now it's double. So now this one's now she got them for 1-2. I mean, I mean, I mean, I could even fry everything at once. So. Okay, I'm not stupid. I won't even lie to say that when my brother brought me this morning, I was actually being so dramatic. I was like, what? What do you mean? Like, I could, I don't know. I don't even know. So I probably called it like 22, 2 each. It was just two of us actually. So on this big story of sorry, I'm hungry. And now look at something like plantain now. It's now cheaper. I've not had snail in like very, very long time. So I think this I add this like to the other proteins we have in the house. Liquid. It smells so good. So good. My mother's food, like, I mean, my mom cooked it. Smells so good. This is what will make this my example. My snail is ready, ready, ready. You guys see that? Come here. Bossy, 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 bossy. I'm going to see it. This is a lot. Oh, this mess is so large. Yeah? Yes? Okay. So far, for that kitchen. Okay.